Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, put your Apple Watch SE on its charger and make sure it's at least 50% charged. Next, keep your iPhone within a few feet with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled so the devices communicate. On the iPhone, open the Watch app, tap General, then Software Update. Tap Download if an update appears. Once you tap Download, the iPhone transfers the update to the watch. So make sure both stay close and don't interrupt power or connectivity during the transfer. Once the download begins, monitor progress on your iPhone. Large updates can take 10–30 minutes. Be patient. If the watch lacks space, remove unused apps or offload music and photos from the watch app to free room. This avoids failed transfers. When the phone shows Install, tap it and place the watch on its charger. The watch will restart and show an Apple logo with progress. Make sure both devices remain plugged in and within range until the install completes to prevent corruption. When the watch finishes, check the version in the Watch app under General right arrow about to confirm the update. Reinstall any apps or re-enable settings you adjusted for space. If the watch behaves oddly after updating, restart the watch and iPhone first. If the update repeatedly fails, unpairing and repairing the watch forces a restore from backup and often resolves software issues. Do this only after a restart because unpairing erases the watch but preserves a backup on the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.